Hey, what is up, guys? I have heard that you guys are trying to figure out how to connect your Trojan bot to Metamask. And unfortunately, the answer is you don't. Trojan bot is primarily used for the Solana blockchain. Metamask primarily supports Ethereum and Ethereum compatible networks. Therefore, these two do not gel well. Maybe in the future there will be support, but I'm telling you right now, don't waste your time. This is something that you cannot do. And maybe if you do find some way to do it, it is going to cause serious problems. So, all I will leave you with is be very wary of YouTube videos and unofficial guides claiming that you can connect Trojan bot to Metamask. Damn, there's so many wallets, it's hard to keep track of all of them. And that's unfortunately all I've got for you guys today. Stay safe, stay smart. Catch me in the next video. Hit subscribe, hit like, and I'll see you there.